Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma and today we are in my garage. I'm going to be doing a first impression and unboxing of the Ativafit adjustable dumbbell set. I already unboxed them and I have them right here in front of me. I'm very excited. I will be showing you guys a clip of me unboxing them along with me showing you guys how to change and adjust the weight with the dial. It's super easy. And what's nice about these particular dumbbells is that you save a lot of space, because if you were to have each individual dumbbell, you would have a lot more. So that is a plus for me. And these particular weights cost $500, which may seem like quite a bit upfront, but if you see it in the long run, you are saving quite a bit, because if you buy each individual weight, it would be way more than the $500. So again, you are saving. So let's get into the unboxing and let me show you guys how to change the weight with the little dial. So this is what they look like unboxed, and it comes with this black and charcoal base where the entire weight sits on top. And the lowest setting is 11 pounds and it goes on increments of 5.5. And in order to change the weight, you have to click this little red button here. So go ahead and click that and you'll hear that little click and know it's locked. So right now it's 16.5, 22 right now, 27.5, and it goes all the way to 71.5. So the lowest is 11 pounds and the highest is 71.5. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the weight at 11 pounds. So it's already at 11. So it's very easy to pick up. Let's change it up to 16. It slides out very nice. And let's go ahead and change it to 22. There you go. And so it's very easy to kind of change up the weights when you're doing sets. If you want to increase, you can go ahead and do that. And again, it's in increments of 5.5. So I just did a mini workout. I did some bicep curls, triceps, lunges, squats. You can also do deadlifts, bench press. So you can do a wide variety of different exercises. They were very stable, but I can see if you are swinging the dumbbell, the weights will be shifting a little bit. So if that's something that bothers you, that's something that you may want to consider. But overall, I really like them. They save a lot of space. I did do a comparison of a 50-pound dumbbell set that we have and the Ativafit, and they're pretty much the same size. But with the Ativafit, obviously you're getting 12 different weights, which is a plus. So I will be linking down below the specific one that I have. If you guys have purchased anything from Ativafit, please let us know down below. I'm also in the market for a bike and a treadmill. So if you have any suggestions, I would love to know. I will be doing a review here on my channel. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and also follow me on Instagram at damav425. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.